Hello, everybody. Kara James here. Today, I want to talk to you about lead magnets or freemiums or freebies or whatever it is that you're calling them to bring potential clients into your world. First, we'll talk about what they should look like, and then also one mistake that I've been seeing. What they should look like is something that people want to pay for, something that can be implemented, right? So a workbook or something. Checklists aren't cutting it anymore. The little, oh, just a little ebook type thing. It's really not cutting it. It has to be juicy. It has to be meaty. It has to be something that they can take action with. For example, I have a 63-page workbook on 15 different offers that you can create, and it really puts these people to work. And then they're anxious and they're excited to come into, my program. That brings me to the mistake that a lot of people are creating lead magnets that aren't leading to their main program. Yes, it is part of their expertise, but it's not directly related to the program. So there's a bit of a disconnect. So they're not jumping in on the program because the lead magnet is just what they wanted and the program it's not connecting. So please be mindful of that. What else? Also, like I said, just super juicy, a catchy title, not too catchy. They want to know what it is that they're opting in for. Have a CTA at the end, a call to action always, whether it's just jump on a call. If you have your program ready, depending on the price of that, whether they need to be on a call or you can just have the link to the sales page. Always have a call to action on that, as well as your how to reach you, email, website, whatever. When you send out the email that's delivering the lead magnet, you want to have 7 or so emails right after that within the following 2 weeks, say every other day, of a nurture sequence. And what that's going to look like is the first email is going to deliver the lead magnet. A couple days later, they're going to get an email talking a little bit about you and who you are, just who am I anyway? Where'd you get this lead magnet from type of thing. Third one can be a testimonial case study, something like that, or just a little bit about what you do and then reverse it. The third day could be the testimonial or case study. The fourth one would be kind of a little tease leading into what you have, what your offer is. You're not gonna pitch it quite yet, but maybe just a little bit of a tease as to what you're up to. And then, of course, a couple days later, you're going to give them the full call to action. Again, they may have the call to action on the lead magnet. So this is just kind of a broad, depending on, there are so many different variables, right? If you have a $27 offer or you have a $7,000 offer, it's going to look a little different for each. So with the 7,000, you're probably going to want to get them on a call. You don't have to. But again, happy to discuss that with you if you'd like to reach out. I love talking about all of this. So feel free to do that. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you soon.